Hey babes, it's me, Rana Salame Streetinger of Salame Jewelry Designs. I'm here today with Joe McIntyre, hairstylist, and a couple models, Courtney and Kiera. We are going to show you how to utilize my crystal hairpins and hair combs in your hairstyles. We're going to show a couple casual looks and a couple luxurious looks to take you through this wedding season or parties, festivals, whatever you want to do. So hopefully you can use our tips and sparkle on with us.
So we're here today with Kiera, and I'm going to show you some looks that work really well for anyone with curly hair, or even if you have some longer hair and you just want a quick like side style, something that will work really nice and well and easy. So we're going to use a little bit of my Verb Ghost Oil here, and I'm going to be working with some twists. So I've sectioned out a little area here, and we're just going to start by twisting, and then as we twist, we're going to be picking up some more hair. Alright, I'm just going to use a little black hair tie here. If you have lighter hair, clear hair ties work really well as well. Using the elastic, I'm just going to slide in this way, and then I'm going to show you how to secure with some bobby pins. So as you can see, she's got nothing popping out the back here or anything. It's just all nice and organized. And using just a couple bobby pins. And this is like if you're going out for the night and you really just want it to be secure super well, just go back here and we're going to slide this through that bobby pin. That way you can go out, you can dance, you can have fun, you can go to your friend's wedding, catch a bouquet, whatever, and that is not going to budge. And keeping it simple, less is more with bobby pins, for sure. Alright, and that's our finished look.